Hi, it's Julie here from Liquitex Art, and I'm using the dimethicone 1000 from Liquitex Art, and I'm using some leftover paints that have got the dimethicone, the silicone oil in them, left over from a class. So I decided to do a ribbon pour on a black background. I really like ribbon pours, both with and without silicone oil. You can get some lovely patterns, and with the silicone oil, some really interesting cell structures. Well, probably you can both ways. So when you do it without silicone oil, it's thinner paint that you are using to create the cell structures, and obviously a thicker paint to help keep the cell structures when you're using the silicone oil. The pouring medium is a mixture of PVA, Floetrol, it's a Liquitex pouring medium, and a little bit of varnish. Okay, pouring the paint now. So I'm layering the ribbons on the diagonal, and I remembered a bit too late that when you're first pouring, it comes out quite thick, and I decided to let it go gradually thinner as I went down. I'm using a plastic container, and often I use a paper cup rather than that, and that way I can get more of a spout and probably control that initial pours a bit more. But I'll just sort of make some of these look a little bit thinner by taking some paint off and putting some more black on. I also think there mustn't have been any silicone oil in that gold up the top. But because it's sort of going down, it's sort of a bit graduated, I don't mind that it's different at one end to the other. So because I've poured it on a diagonal, I'm making sure that as I'm tilting it, that I'm tilting in the same direction so that I don't open up the lines more, but just have them flowing there. On this next tilt, I realised it was really bunching them up. Some bits were moving more than others, so I decided to not tilt anymore and just get on with heating. I really like the colour combination here, and I like the interesting cell structure. I really like it when the cells are right on the edge and they change the shape of the line. They look a bit like tree branches. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give me a like. It always helps. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already to see lots of more experiments and different techniques with Liquitex Art. Thank you.